Hi, I'm Amy Karanik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the Bead baking rack. This is the Bead baking rack, and with it you get this aluminum and oven-safe rack, and then you get 12 of these super sharp baking skewers. Now, what's great about a bead baking rack like this is that your beads are actually held elevated above the baking sheet during baking. Why that's important is because sometimes when oven-baked clays come into contact with a shiny baking sheet like this one, it'll leave a little mark or a shiny spot on one side of the bead. And of course, in bead making, we always want our beads to look completely uniform, same color and same size and shape all the way around. The way it works is you just select one of the skewers, and like I said, they're super sharp, and I use a drilling motion to push it through the bead. Once it comes out the other side, I withdraw the skewer and poke it back through the exact same hole, tucking in that little bit of loose clay that was poked out before to the interior. Once the bead is poked all the way through, you can just string it onto the skewer and prop it back on the rack. With the 12 skewers, you get all kinds of room for baking lots and lots of beads at once, and you can use each skewer to sort and organize your beads by style or by project. You load it onto your own pan that you have, and then put that in the oven and follow the baking instructions for the types of beads that you're making. The bead baking rack is just perfect for making all kinds of beads and for jewelry design.